Good morning, first PC students. Today, let us go to the next topic, solution of system of linear inequations in two variables. Solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables. Okay, what is the meaning? Two or three single inequation. Okay, two or more inequations are given. So solve the inequations by using the graphical. Okay, so go to the exercise 6.2. exercise 6.2, first one. X greater than or equal to 3, y greater than or equal to 2. X greater than or equal to 3, y greater than or equal to 2. X greater than or equal to 3, y greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so first listen carefully. This is x is equal to 3. First consider x is equal to 3. Consider any inequality greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than or greater than. You have to take, you are given any equalities. So first consider equation x is equal to 3. In equation x is equal to 3. So point, there is no point. X is equal to 3 means what? Automatically y is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. So next substitute 0, 0. This is the equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay. Substitute 0, 0 in equation number 1. 0 greater than or equal to 3. 0 greater than or equal to 3. Okay. 0 greater than or equal to 3 is true or false? Is false. 0 greater than or equal to 3 is false. So, okay, false means what? So, the equation 1, false means what? Origin side or the opposite side, or the opposite the origin side. True means origin side, or left to right to up to down, anyone. Okay, any type. Origin side. True means origin side. False means opposite the origin side. That's simple. So the equation 1 represent the region means area, represent the region of x region is left side of, left or right? This is opposite the origin. So right side. Right side of the right side of the equation x is equal to 3. Right side of the equation x is equal to 3. So, sir, any doubt? Right or left or any doubt? False means is 100%. False means is 100% opposite to the origin side. True means origin side. Okay, clearly neat, and it is simple. Okay, in textbook wise, textbook type, left or right, left, right, up, down. This is, so this is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3, that equation is parallel to y-axis. X is equal to 3 is parallel to y-axis. So, parallel to y-axis and passing through the point 0, 3. But this equation false means the equation false means origin side or opposite the origin side. False means opposite the origin side. So origin side means this is the right side, left side. This equation x is equal to 3 equation. X is equal to 3 equation is left side. Here the true means left side because origin is left side. So false means opposite the origin side. Opposite the origin side means right side. This one. Okay. Next. Subdirect sub to 0 greater than or equal to 2. Is true or false? 0 greater than or equal to 2. This is also fail. Consider y is equal to 2. Equation y is equal to 2. Substitute 0, 0 in equation 2. 0, 0 in equation 2. So 0 greater than or equal to 2. 0 greater than or equal to is false. False means what? Opposite the origin side. So y is equal to 2. Y is equal to is the parallel to x-axis. This is 2. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to. So this is false means what? Origin side or the opposite the origin side? Origin side. Opposite the origin side. So down, up, down. Below the line, above the line. So below the line or above the line? Above the line because opposite the origin side. So what is the combined area? The x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. The both area, combined area. What is the combined area? This is the combined, this here. This is the x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, x is equal to. This area is the, this is the main area. This one. So 0 greater than or equal to full false 2. So what is the matter? The equation 2 represents represent the region above the line y is equal to 2. Represent the region above the line y is equal. Equation 2 represent the region above the line y is equal to line ki above or simply opposite the origin side. Simply opposite the origin side. This is anyone. This is matter is not important, so diagram is important. First two, this is x is equal to 3, this line x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 and combined area. Okay, you identify the combined area, total mixed area. The two lines combined area, mixed area is called the graph. So this is, we have to write right side of the equation x is equal to 3 or origin side or opposite the origin side, anyone, your own interest. Okay, this is okay. X is equal to greater than or equal to 3, y is equal to 3, direct lines, y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3, direct lines. This is the first type of problem. Here right side, the equation 1 represent the region is right side of the equation x is equal to 3 or opposite the origin side of the origin side of the equation 1, opposite side of the anyone. You clearly identify right or left, up or down, above or below. You clearly identify means you have to write clearly. right side of the line, left side of the line, above the line, below the line. This is the clearly you have to observe. You know. You don't know means the right side or left side you don't know. If you don't know, then you have to write anyone opposite the origin. Origin side, opposite origin side. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿగా ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడా రైట్ సైడా అనేది క్లియర్గా ಗೊತ್ತಂದರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. నీకు ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ದ ಆರಿಜಿನ್, ಟ್ರೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ origin side. Okay, this is clearly decide the first one or second one, you have to decide. Okay. This type of lines exactly x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus t. This type of equations must be this is x is equal to something or negative or positive. X is equal to 3 minus 2, this type of equation is compulsory left or right. Y is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2, this is y is equal to positive or negative, this type of equations above the line, below the line. Like some other equations are given, which type of 2x plus 3y less than 2, this type of two variable equations compulsory origin side opposite the origin side. Okay na, are clear? Y is equal to graph, main one is graph. The graph is drawn on the graph paper. In each step 0 to 1 is taken one box, 1 to 2 another box, 2 to 3, and using the pencil and a clear mention. Okay, 5 marks. Graph is mainly graph main. So this is very careful to draw the graph on your graph paper. Okay, this is the first one. Next, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. This is equation number 1. Next one. Solve the following system of inequations graphically. First, what is that? Solve the inequations. Solve the following system of, this is the problem. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. This is the question. Okay, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12 and x greater than or equal to 1 and y greater than or equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1 and y greater than or equal to 3. This is 3 equations. So first one, consider. First you have to write the given inequalities. First consider. Consider means this is first equation. First inequality can be taken into equality, equal to 12. ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನು ಎನಿ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ತಗೋ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 12, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 12 means what? Greater than 12 means 13, 14, any value. So inequality does not solve. Okay, the inequalities cannot solve the inequality. So inequalities ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, you can solve the only equations, you cannot solve the inequalities. That's why it's taken equality. Okay, first x, y both variables are given. So procedure. Both variables are given means this procedure. Put x is equal to 0. First x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means 3 into 0 plus 2 into y is equal to 12. 2y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 6. So what is the point? 0 comma 6. First x value, next y value. Next again put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means 3x plus 0 is equal to 12. 2 into y. 2 into 0, 0. So x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 means this is 4 comma 0. AB values. So values okay. And next true or false. You can check. Substitute directly. Substitute not x is equal to 0 y separately. Direct. Substitute equal 0 0 in inequality 1. Inequality 1. Not equation. Equation means what? 0 is equal to 1. It's wrong. Always wrong. 0 is equal to 1 is always wrong. So substitute 0 0 in equation 1. So 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 is less than or equal to 12. So 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 less than or equal to 12 is true or false? 0 less than or equal to 12 is true or false? Is true. Because 12 is the more than 0, more than or equal to 0. So is it true? True means what? The equation 1 represents the region above or this is true means what? Origin side. Origin side means compulsory below the origin side is what? Origin side means below the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 or origin side. Below means origin side. Next x greater than or equal to 2. Consider equation x is equal to 1. No. X is equal to 1. No. Directly point 1 comma 0. Okay. X is equal to 1 means y is automatically 0. So substitute 0 0 in equation number 2. 0 greater than or equal to 1 is true or false? Is false. 0 greater than or equal to 1 is false. False means what? This x is equal to 1 is the vertical line. Vertical line false means right side of the equation to represent the region. False means opposite the origin. The region is right side of the equation x is equal to 1. No. Right side or false means opposite the origin. Next third one, consider y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 means maximum nodri greater than or equal to means is always false. Greater than or equal to means always false, because of x y is always 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1, no, 0 greater than or equal to is always false, is positive value. So x greater than or equal to minus 1, no, y greater than minus 2 means true, is always true. Okay. Substitute 0 0 in equation 3. 0 greater than or equal to 2. 0 greater than or equal to is false. Is false means the equation 2 The equation 2 represents the region opposite the origin, or this is y. Y means opposite the origin, means above, simply opposite the origin means above the line y is equal to 2. Above the line y is equal to 2. First must be important. What is the important one? No, above the line, below the line, or left to right to origin side, opposite the origin is very important. This is not correct, means graph also wrong, fully wrong. So this is important. Above or below, left to right to, or simply origin side, opposite the origin side. This is okay. Next go to the graph. Go to the graph. What are the points? A point is what? A point is 3x plus 2x is equal to 0, means 0, 6, 4, 0. 0, 6, 4, 0. At the graph 0. First, what is the A point? A point is nothing but x is equal to 0, means y is equal to 6. A point 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First point, A point 0, 6. This is point A. 0, 6. Next 4, 0. Y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 4. 4, 0. This is equation number B. So draw the line by using the scale. This is true or false. True or false means less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means true. 0 less than or equal to true. True means what? Origin side. True means origin side. True. This is origin side. Next, x is equal to 1. No. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. This is the x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means is parallel to y axis. This is true or false? False. False means right side or opposite the origin. Opposite the origin. Next, y is equal to 2. This is the y is equal to 2. If y is equal to true, also false. False means above the line y is equal to 2. Above the line. So this is only this curve, 1 and 2 curves. 1 and 2 curves. This is 1 and 2 only region, common region. This is only 2 equations region. This is this is the first equation, second equation, third equation. So what is the common area? This is, for example, A, B, C. This is the common area. This is the common, ABC is the common area. Therefore, the region is ABC is the region of the common area of the graph. Equations 1, 2, 3. This is common area. Separately draw the any other color or pencil. This must be shaded. Must be shaded. Okay, common area. Next one, 5x plus 4y. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. X greater than or equal to 1 and y greater than or equal to 2. This is an exercise problem number 9. Problem number 9 is homework. Same problem. Equation also less than or equal to. Greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to. Same, they type. So, 9th problem, homework. Okay. Okay, next. Two x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Problem number 4 may be 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. First problem only single variable inequations. Second one double variable, single variable. Next third one only double variable. First consider 2x plus y is equal to 6. Next put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. The point is 0 comma 6. Put y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to, substitute in the equation, 2 into 0, y is equal to 6. So, b point to 3 comma 0, b point to 3 comma 0. So, direct substitute 0, 0 at a time, 0, 0 in, here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, substitute in the equation. So, 0, 0 is substitute in the inequation. In 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. So, 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 0, 0 greater than or equal to 6. 0 greater than or equal to 6 is false. Is false means the solution region is false means origin side or the opposite the origin side? Opposite the origin side. Opposite the origin. First one completed. Next second one consider 3x plus 4y equal to 12. First put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means 4y is equal to 12. 3 into 0. 3 into 0, 0 plus 4 into y. Y is equal to 3. 12 by 4, 3. So, the point is 0, comma 3. The point is 0, comma 3. Next, put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0 in equation, consider 2 in the one. So, 3x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 2. X is equal to 4. So, the point is 4, comma 0. Okay. Direct substitute at a time 0, 0 in equation number 2. In equation number 2. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 less than or equal to 12 means is true or false? Is true. True means the solution region is origin side. So, draw the graph. First, 6 highest, 4, 3, 6 highest. Okay. X axis, y axis. So, the point A is 0, comma 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The point A is 0, comma 6. This is A point. B is 3, comma 0. This is B point. Draw the line by using the scale. This is B point. Okay, this is true or false, greater than or equal to 0 greater than 6. False. False means opposite to the origin. False means origin opposite. Next is C. This is C point. This is D point. C 0 comma 3. This is 0 comma 3 C point. Next D point 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. This is D point. This is this is the true condition. True condition means what? True condition of origin side. So origin side means this is the origin side. What is the combined area? This is only first inequality. This is only second inequality. There is no first or second inequality. So the small one, this one, small one. This is the above the opposite the origin, no origin side. So this is small area. This is the area. So in your graph paper is clear to come. The graph shaded is clear to come. The clearly will come. So using the each box taken 1 2 3 difference is 1. So taken, and is main important one is the common area. This is the main important. Okay. This is 2 points. Next, seventh problem, same model, seventh problem. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. X plus 2y. X plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. X plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. This is the homework. Same model. Only draw on your graph paper. First we have to draw in your book, classwork book. First is roughly we have to do. After that graph paper. Okay, this is. Thank you.